Now, lecture 7, that is of chapter 3, and in this we will be studying equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. Now, see the question form: 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13, 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. X and y variables are in the denominator, but we have studied that x and y are in the numerator. But here, to make the equation with two variable, what you have to reduce it. So 2 upon x can be written as 2 into 1 upon x, plus 3 upon y can be written as 3 into 1 upon y equal to 13. 5 upon x can be written as 5 into 1 upon x, minus 4 upon y can be written as 4 into 1 upon y equal to minus 2. So let 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. Now what you will get here? 2a plus 3b equal to 13. That is, here the variables are a and b. In the second equation, 5a minus 4b equal to minus 2. Equation number 2. Now you have to solve this equation and get the value of a and b. How will you get the value of a and b? By solving by three methods, that is cross multiplication method, elimination by substitution, and elimination by equating the coefficient method. Here I am using the equating the coefficient method, that is, I want to equate the coefficient of b. But here in the first equation the coefficient of b is 3, and in the second equation coefficient of b is 4. I am not seeing the sign, I am seeing the only the number. So what I will do, multiplying equation 1 by 4, so I will get 4 to the 8a, 4 3 is 12b, and 13 4 is 52, that is equation number 3. Multiplying equation 2 by 3, that is 15a minus 12b equal to minus 6, that is equation number 4. Plus 12b minus 12b can be cancelled by adding equation 3 and 4. So 23a equal to 46 and a equal to 2. So 46 divided by 23 is 2. After getting the value of a, I will find the value of b by substituting the value of a in equation 1, that is 2 into 2 plus 3b equal to 13. So I will get b equal to 3. 1 upon x I have taken a and 1 upon y I have taken as b. So 1 upon x equal to 2, 1 equal to 2x, and or you can say that 2x equal to 1. Here you make a practice of writing like this, that is, the number should be on the right hand side, because here the some student they make the mistake in writing the answer. So please see that 2x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 2. Again here 1 equal to 3y or 3y equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 3. Now 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2. Solve this equation again. 5 upon x minus 1 can be written as 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2. Again, let 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. So again I will be getting the equation a 1 and 2, that is 5a plus b equal to 2 and 6a minus 3b equal to 1, that is second equation. I want to equate the coefficient of b. Here the coefficient of b is 3, here it is 1. So what I will do, I will write multiplying equation 1 by 3, that is 15a plus 3b equal to 6, and 6a minus 3b equal to 1, that will be the as it is. So I am writing equation number 2. Plus 3b and minus 3b can be cancelled by adding. So I have written here adding equation 3 and 2. So I will get a equal to 1 by 3. I will put the value of a in equation number 2. I can put in equation 1, but here for me, if I am putting in 2, that is 6 will be cancelled by 3, you will get 2. So I will get b equal to 1 by 3. Now 1 upon x minus 1 is a, so I will say x equal to 4, that is cross multiply and you will get value of x. Here 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b, and the value of b is 1 by 3, so I will get y equal to 5. Now another form of the equation, that is third, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2. 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y equal to 13 by 6. See, 1 upon 2x means what? 1 upon 2 bracket 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 bracket 1 upon y equal to 2. 1 upon 3x, again here 1 upon 3 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y equal to 13 by 6. Let 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. A upon 2 plus b upon 3 equal to 2. Cross multiply, you will get this. 3a plus 2b equal to 12. And here 3 or 2, 6. 2a plus 3b equal to 13 by 6. 6 cancel. So 2a plus 3b equal to 13. That is equation number 2. Now I want to equate the coefficient of a. So what I am writing here, multiplying equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So I will get 6a plus 4b equal to 24. 6a plus 9b equal to 39. Fourth equation. A cannot be cancelled because both are positive sign. Now what you will write? Equating, subtracting equation 4 from 3. That is, you will get 5b equal to 15 and b is 3. Put the value of b in equation 1, you will get the value of a. Again the same condition, 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. You will get 1 upon x equal to 2. So you will write 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. Again here 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equal to minus 1. Have a practice of writing this equation as like this, as I am writing first equation on the left side and second equation on the right side. Again let 1 by root x equal to a and 1 by root y equal to b. So I will get 2a plus 3b equal to 2 and 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. Again I want to equate the coefficient of b. Multiplying equation 1 by 3, that is 6a plus 9b equal to 6. That is third equation. First equation I am copying here. Plus 9b minus 9b cancelled. So a equal to 1 by 2. Putting the value of a in equation 1, you will get the value of b. Now 1 upon root x equal to a and 1 upon root y equal to b. So you will write the value of a and b. Now root can be removed by squaring both sides. So 1 upon x equal to 1 by 4 and 1 upon y equal to 1 by 9. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. This is the way you have to solve the equations. This completes the topic.